Hello everyone, this is Ferhan from FerhanReviews.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing mass mailer methods. Bit of a mouthful. This is a training video course, and it'll go through 22 proven methods by Darren Brown on how to make money online using these methods that he uses himself, and he's had a whole load of beta testers testing for him. In one of his intro videos, he explains that he spent months creating this training, and it's not just some short, cheap training. It's actually a very intense set of videos. I think there's about 25 to, let me see how many videos there are. Sorry, I've forgotten. There's 26 videos in total in this whole training, and this is at the bargain price of $7. I think it's just for this couple of days launch period. This is launching, at the time of recording is tomorrow, but it's launching on the 12th of August at 2 PM UK time, 8 AM US Central Time. So if you click on the link below, you'll get it at the amazing price, just $7, and that is for the front end and all of these amazing training videos. I've been through quite a few of them, and yeah, there's a lot of detail gone into it, and I can see his methods do really work. I've got some bonuses for you, quite a few bonuses. I'll just mention them at the end, and also you can check below. And also the upsells and OTOs, I'll list them all below, but this is just the review section. So marketing mass mailer methods, or mass mailer methods. Sorry, it's 22 methods that Darren has used and his beta tester have used to make money online. He proves that even a beginner can start making money online with these methods. The launch price is just $7 for this launch period. He shows you a couple of screenshots of affiliate commissions he's made. So let's see how long this page is. Okay, he goes through all of the methods he used before and now, what he uses to make money. Let me see anything else. Works for any business, works for anyone. Let me just get straight to the training. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. Let me see. Okay, if you don't think it's worth $7, then you're not really looking to make money online. Because if you can't invest $7, then I don't know what you're doing, because this guy has spent months creating this course. And for $7 you get, I just show you 26 videos that he's put a lot of time into to give you these secrets. Okay, that's in the sales page. Okay, so I don't want to go through all of the modules, I don't want to give it all away. But there's a couple of things. A slight criticism, I don't like this course system. I don't like the layout, I don't like, there's a few things that just niggle me a little bit, but that's just me. I'm not criticizing him because it's hard to create these courses and things, and I think we've been spoiled with ClickFunnels and stuff, but that's very expensive. And would you want to pay $100 for this course, or you just pay $7 and you just watch the videos and get the information presented to you? That's just my own niggle anyway. But this is module 1, so just getting all ready, goes through the initial methods. So he's got TikTok method, traffic dominator, income for life. He goes to a Fiverr solution and some more advice to follow. Now there are some links and stuff and some free things to sign up for throughout this, and there's a lot of detail here on why you should be using them. Let me go through module 2. I just stopped at module 2. Facebook groups, Google ads, setting up domains and redirects, setting up, I don't know what iBlast is, but I don't click it, but it's just more little software apps, services that he uses to make money. And in these videos he'll actually show you, yeah, I'm on there, yeah.
So it's quite
Let me just refresh this, sorry, because I was watching it. I'll start from the beginning. I don't like this, but you can't control the video, but anyway. That's just me being annoying. 1 second. TikTok method.
okay, guys. The next one I'm going to show you is.
Okay, I press spacebar to pause it. So what he does, he sits there, he talks to you, he shows you a screen, he goes through the method, and he gives you proofs on how he makes money and how his students, now his people in his group make money. And all these methods are all, you can always achieve your goal of making money by following these methods, and it's quite a few to go through, so you've got a choice. I think they're all pretty much free. I think there's some way you have to sign up for the odd tool here and there, but I think they're all free. And let me see. Yeah, they're all free, but there are some odd tools where you need to just sign up for a free account or something. But this whole training for $7, you're getting 26 videos on how to make money online. I don't think I've seen a course that cheap and with this much content, because even some of the other stuff I promoted, you get about 4 videos and you're paying $15, $20, $40. And yeah, I think it's been over generous with this package. And I haven't even mentioned the upsells yet. The upsells, I'm putting in the description below. But even them, a couple of them are really cheap, and he'll give a lot of done for you stuff and some amazing stuff. But this is the mass mailer methods training, and this is aimed at mostly newbie and intermediate affiliates. If you just want to get started, make some money, test the water, see how it goes. And with these methods, you can also build up your own mailing list. And that brings me on to my bonuses. One of my bonuses is I'll give you a training video that I made on how to build up your own mailing list with 200 daily leads. A couple of the bonuses, I'll give you a 2,500 guaranteed working swipe file. Well, no guarantees, but the proven working swipe file. So it's all email swipes you can use to put in autorespond or whatever you want, and you can bring in commissions. I'll give you access to a smart CPA video course. So you're going to be getting this traffic, you need some offers to make money, so you have to use this CPA video course. I'll give you access to a list building profits video course, and also another one to make money is Udemy for a recurring income guide. It's how to make money on Udemy, but recurring income, which is the best kind of income. And also I'll give you a traffic handbook video course, how to get more traffic. So I hope you found this moderately short, very short video useful. I don't want to go through all the modules, I don't want to give away all this content, because he spent a lot of time going through this, and as I said, he spent months with beta testers, so it's a bit unfair to go through all of the modules. But for $7, I mean, even if you just want to test it, it's worth it. So I hope you do buy it from the link below. You get all my bonuses automatically from the link below, and it launches on tomorrow, as I'm recording, the 12th of August at 2 PM UK, 8 AM Central, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.